any opportunity you can get to get things for free, get them. This leisure facility has just opened again, and I've got a free 7-day pass, so I'm here enjoying the sauna, the pool and the jacuzzi. Lovely. Live as cheaply as you possibly can, and then you've got spare money to do whatever you want with. But look what you can achieve. You really don't have to spend a lot of money. If you just look round and see what you've got in your house. Ooh, there's a butterfly on that bubbler out there. Not seen many butterflies this year. There's another one. 2. Anyway, here I've got some bigger peas, malafat dried peas that are food grade, but if you pop them in some water and just start to sprout them, then pop them in whatever you've got. I've got this old recycled plastic tray. I'll put some soil in that. When these peas start to sprout, I'll pop them in there, cover them, and then you'll get some pea sprouts, and you've got pea sprouts, 2 or 3 lots you'll be able to get from them. Just chop them off, put them in a salad. I've tried for weeks and weeks and weeks. This is an avocado stone. I want it as a house plant, just to grow quite tall, a bit like a palm, but I've eventually done it, look. Can you see? It's just starting to grow a root. So I'll keep you up to date with that and see how that goes. When you're out walking, just take a rucksack with you, especially this time of year, end of August, beginning September. The hedgerows are absolutely laden. I've done a meditation walk for Sunday, and when I was out walking, look what I found. Bubblegum plums and some blackberries. Few apples, windfalls. And this, I want this as a house plant. Can you see what this is? What do you think that is? That's just an orange pip that I planted. Oh, that's an orange pip that I planted. So that's going to be a little orange tree. I've got some money plant, because I've got a lot of money plants. I'll show you my house plants one day. But I've got some money plant cuttings there that I will grow on, pot on, then I'll take them down to community gardens and swap them. And this is a basil plant that I keep lobbing bits off. But that's a lot better than a shop bought one. It's more robust. The shop bought ones don't last very long, even if they're meant to, they don't. But that one, I'm quite pleased with that one. And this is one of those regrown celeries that I actually forgot to water, and it's just coming back. And outside, I'll show you outside. I was eating some sunflower seeds. I'll just get them and show you. Sunflower seeds, perfect for snacking and baking and growing, it seems. I'll take you outside and let you have a look. So there's good news and there's bad news. Can you see in this chilli plant? Look. Some of them are starting to turn red. Got some green ones, quite a lot of green ones. Some of them have got no chilies at all. But on the whole, I'm quite pleased with that. Beetroot, transplanted really well. That's a bit wobbly actually. Them leeks are regrowing. Moroccan mint. Always thrives, does that? Always thrives. Sunflowers going over. But look at me fig. Had to pull that one off. I wonder if it's because I'm watering it too much or feeding it too much, but they're all splitting. If you've got any ideas on how to remedy this next year, I think it's too late this year. But if you look, there's another one there about the same size. It's soft. Not turning in colour yet. I've had 2 or 3 that have actually dropped off. Got another one that's dropped off, have I? No. But look, more good news. Look, move my keys. Pull this out. Look at these cuttings. Got 1, 2. Those were done early in the year. 3, 4. Those have taken. These are ones I've just put in when I've cut this fig tree back. So, if you work it out, at B&Q, those fig trees were £50. If I sell those for 20. How many will I need to be a bit millionaire? I worked it out about 20,000. Anyway, lovely. I love gardening. I absolutely love gardening. I've still to cut this back a bit. I've cut all this front off, you can see. We'll have a little look round here. Tomatoes. Hanging on in there. That needs to come off. That top bit, that's not going to do anything. 1 tomato at the bottom. Where did I see that one there? Look. There. Lemon balm. Peppermint now. 1 sunflower. The sunflowers that are potted up around the other side. We'll go have a look at those. Buddleia. Just shows you what you can grow. This is a packet of sunflower seeds that I was eating. Popped a couple in some soil. They're definitely not the dwarf variety, but we'll see what we can get. And I've got a free 7-day guest pass. I can use the gym, the sauna, the jacuzzi and the pool for free. This is what frugal looks like, people.